Hello students, today we are going to see about chapter linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.1. So the question is, solve the following equations and check your results. So first, already we have discussed the first 5 problems in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss about 6th to 10th problem. So the 6th problem is 8x plus 4, which is equal to 3 into, within the braces we have x minus 1 and then plus 7. So write the equation first. So 8x plus 4, which is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7, and 8x plus 4, which is equal to, here they have given the bracket, so simplify that. So 3 into x is 3x, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Then after the simplification, we can take x variables in one side, all other values in the another side. So here we have 8x, take 3x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3x, which is equal to, here the values are minus 3 plus 7 plus 4, when coming to the right hand side it becomes minus 4. 8x minus 3x is 5x, which is equal to, and here we have minus 3 plus 7 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7, and then plus 7, minus 7 plus 7 is nothing but 0. So 5x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0 by 5, 0 by any value is nothing but 0. So we have determined that x equal to 0. This is the solution for the given equation. And then after solving the problem, we have to check the result also. So whether the given obtained result is correct or not, to check that we are substituting that value in the given equation, so that we should get both left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So first take the left hand side. LHS is 8x plus 4 in the given problem. Wherever I have x, I have to substitute x equal to 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4, 8 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4. Okay. Then we can find out the RHS. RHS equation is 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So simplify that. 3x minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Now we can substitute x value. 3 into x value is 0 minus 3 plus 7. 3 into 0 is 0 minus 3 plus 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So both your left hand side and right hand sides are equal, and hence it is verified. The obtained answer is correct. So coming to the next problem, it is x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So as usual, write the equation first. 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So here 4 by 5 is there. So we can take this 5 to the left hand side, so that is cross multiplying. So take 5 to the left hand side, it becomes 5 into x, which is equal to 4 into x plus 10. And then multiply 4 inside. So 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 10 is 40. So left hand side we have 5x. Now take 4x to the left hand side. 5x minus 4x, which is equal to 40. 5x minus 4x is nothing but x, x is equal to 40. So this is the obtained solution. So now we need to check the result. Take the left hand side. So left hand side, here it is x. So x is directly we can write it as 40, and then now we can write RHS. RHS is 4 by 5 into x plus 10, which is given by 4 by 5 into x value is 40, 40 plus 10. So we have 4 by 5 into 50. So 5 tables we can apply. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. 4 into 10 is nothing but 40. So both your left hand side and right hand side are equal, hence the obtained solution is correct, it is verified. And then coming to the next problem, 8th problem, 2x plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So write the equation as it is as the first step, and take all your x values to the one side, other values to the another side. So here 2x by 3 and I am taking 7x by 15 to the left hand side, which I can write as minus 7x by 15, which is equal to, here the value is 3 plus 1, when coming to the right hand side it becomes minus 1. Okay. So here when we see the problem, in the denominator I have 3 and 15, so I have to take the LCM for these two values. Okay. So let me find out the LCM. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, again 5 table, 5 ones are 5. So LCM is nothing but 15. So commonly I have 15 as the LCM, and then in order to get 15, right, I have to multiply 5 in the denominator and the numerator, right. So I have 2x into 5. Both in the numerator and denominator I have to multiply by 5. Anyway denominator is 15, so you can leave that. So 2x into 5. In another way, what we can say, LCM, how we can write, 3 into 5, right. So here 3 is already there, which value we need to multiply, 5. 5 in the numerator and denominator, right. So this value is eliminated, 5 I have to multiply with the 2x. So 2x into 5 minus, here already 15 is there, so no values, no need to multiply any values here, 7x you can write as it is. So 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. 2x into 5 is 10x minus 7x, and then this 15 you can take to the right hand side. So 2 into 15 you have 10x minus 7x is nothing but 3x. 3x is equal to 2 into 15 is 30. So this value is 30 by 3. 3 tables we can apply. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So x is equal to 10. So this is the solution for the given problem. So let us verify now. Take your left hand side. Left hand side is 2x by 3 plus 1. So wherever I have x, I have to use 10. So 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. So here the denominator is 1 for the second term. So the common LCM is 3. So numerator I have 20, here I have to multiply with 3 here, right. So 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. So you have the answer as 23 by 3. And then let us check for the right hand side. Right hand side is 7x by 15 plus 3, which is 7 into x value is 10 divided by 15 plus 3. Okay, here the LCM is 15. So 7 tens are 70 and 15 into 3 is 45. So 70 plus 45 is 115 divided by 15. Okay. So let me use 5 table. 5 3s are 15 and here 5 2s are 10. So 1 you can combine with 5. So 15. 5 3s are 15. Right. So the answer is 23 by 3. Okay. So both the answers are same. Okay. So let me write here. Okay. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and finally you can write that hence verified. Okay. So both your left hand side and right hand side we are obtaining 23 by 3. So coming to the next problem, ninth problem, 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So as usual, first write your equation as it is, 2y plus 5 by 3 which is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Take all your y terms in one side. So 2y minus y will become plus y, and 26 by 3 in the right hand side plus 5 by 3 will become minus 5 by 3. Okay, 2y plus y is nothing but a 3y which is equal to, here common LCM is 3. and so that numerator you can directly write as it is 26 minus 5. So 26 minus 5 is nothing but 21 by 3. So we have 3y is equal to 21 by 3. We can apply 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21. So 3y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 by 3. So this is the solution for the given equation, and we need to check whether we are getting the proper result or not. So left hand side 2y plus 5 by 3, which is equal to 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So in both the terms denominator is 3, so the LCM is 3. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 5, which is equal to 19 by 3. And take your right hand side is 26 by 3 minus y, which is 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. In both the term again 3 is the common LCM, you can take that. So numerator you can just write the term as it is 26 minus 7. So 26 minus 7 is nothing but 19 by 3. So both the terms are equal, therefore I can write left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. And coming to the last problem, 10th problem, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So take 5m to the left hand side. So before that I am writing the equation. Take m value, variable to the one side, 3m minus 5m, which is equal to minus 8 by 5. 3m minus 5m is minus 2m, which is equal to minus 8 by 5. So take 5 to left hand side, or you can take minus 2 to the right hand side, it is your wish, right. So we are going to find out m. So minus 8 divided by 5, take minus 2 to the denominator, right. So 5 into minus 2. So 2 tables we can use, minus minus we can cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So m is equal to 4 by 5. So that is the solution for this problem. So let me check whether the left hand side is equal or not to the right hand side. So left hand side is 3m, which is equal to 3 into 4 by 5. That is nothing but 12 by 5. Right hand side 5m minus 8 by 5, which is equal to 5 into 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. In both the term I have denominator 5. So numerator you can write the term as it is, 5 into 4 is 20 and then minus 8. So 20 minus 8 is 12, 12 by 5. So both your left hand side and right hand side are equal, so LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.